All right, getting ready to start the third quarter here from Contra Costa College here in San Pablo. Anthony Schultz with you, 31-36 Comets with the 5-point lead. Lopez with 10, Carvalho with 8 for the Comets to finish the first half. Ariana Williams 12, Seymour and Ainsworth with 6 apiece are leading scorers here for the Comets and the T-Birds. And the first shot of the third quarter, no good, but a foul. We're going to have 3 foul shots coming up here for Contra Costa. So the women fouling jump shooters here left and right. Comets the beneficiary of a 4-point play earlier in the ball game, and now they're going to get 3 foul shots here as we start the third period. First one, no good. Comets outscored the T-Birds 17-16 in that first quarter. Outscored them by 4, 19-15 in the second. Second foul shot is good. And they lead it after a half, 36-31. Third shot, and this one no good. So 1 of 3 there for Vicky Lopez. And now she's got 11. A lot of fast-paced action in that first half. And the Comets down with a 6-point lead. Here's a shot from the outside. Catches glass, catches iron, but no net. Comets back the other way, lost the ball that time. And back down the floor come the T-Birds, and they're going to, not going to hit the bunny that time as the ball goes out of bounds. Boy, Maya Perkins had to wait for that outlet pass, and she got right to the cup and could not stick the bunny. Fortunately for the T-Birds, they're going to maintain possession. And now coming back into the ball game is Janelle Pansoy for Contra Costa College. We'll check in at the next stoppage of play. He was inside, but the Comets all over that one. Kick back out, 3-point shot. Way short that time. And the putback, boy, that one behind the backboard. And boy, a real scattered play right now here between the two teams coming in after the break. Shot clock was not receptive, did not hit the rim. There's a take. That one going to come back outside here for the T-Birds. Men starting to show up here. The shot no good. And now we're going to have another tie-up. And possession arrow going to say, stay right here. T-Birds maintain possession. There's a 3-point shot off the rim, no good. Offensive rebound, put back, no good. A nice box out. And a defensive rebound from the Comets, and now we're going to have a whistle and a foul. So Maya Perkins, number 11, will get called for the foul. And 2 quick fouls against Maya, so she's got 3 for the ball game now. And Cicely Sorrell trying to get to the inside. Gets it to Lopez. Lopez going to hit the deck. Shot won't go, but Lopez going to go back to the line for 3 more shots. And that cardinal sin, they just keep repeating that over and over and over again. Do not foul a jump shooter. Seeing that far too much, and the Comets, the beneficiary again. Last time the line with those 3 shots, they got just 1 of 3. And they get just 1 of 4. So Vicky Lopez getting these opportunities, so far not making the most of them. Second shot is good. And here comes Gigi Ainsworth back into the ball game. Third shot upcoming here for Vicky. And so far, 1 of 2. Just 2 of 5 so far, make it 3 of 6 as she gets 2 of 3 this time in the lead now. 39-31 in favor of the Comets. 8-point lead. I believe this is their biggest lead so far tonight. Dumping pass. Gigi's got it counted. Boy, that entry pass was very nice. Emily Hill dropping it into a bucket, and the T-Birds get the basket. Comets trying to retaliate. They're going to lose the ball, and this one's going to be going back to the T-Birds. Dump it in, high post, back to the outside, dribble drive left, shot won't go, and this one's going to go out of bounds. That was Dominic Seymour trying to go up with it. Seymour did finish that first half with 6. As we look at Coach Gray over there on the Merritt side, 3 years for him. Last year they won the Bay Valley Conference, lost in the second round. Here's a shot, that won't go. Rebound coming here too. The T-Birds chase this one down in the corner. There's a double team, cross-court pass. Nearly a backcourt violation. Good looking save, but then they turn it over anyway. Boy, Emily Hill made a fantastic play to keep that one from being a backcourt violation, but the T-Birds cannot take advantage. They turn it over anyway. Coach Gray started his career in San Francisco City College. It was way back in '98. Also coached at Berkeley High, coached CYO. And also AAU. There's a whistle stop and play. Coach of the CYO and AAU up until 2012. And at that point came back to Merritt College. Has been here ever since. And this is his 3rd year as the head man. Comets back to the free throw line. That's a miss right there. 6:35 to go here in the 3rd. Comets have led most of the way. Currently leading by 6:39-33. 1 for 2 from the free throw line. That was number 2, Cicely Sorrell. And the Comets leading by 7, or should I say a touchdown, given that this is coming up on Super Bowl weekend. Down to the inside, Gigi against 2 defenders, and she's just going to muscle her way, and I think the call might be as Sorrell looking on in disbelief. Couldn't believe that was called against her, and I'm guessing maybe she was just too low, and in that in the circle down below, she looked to be straight up, but did not get the call from Devon Bergier. I'm guessing she was in the restricted circle. First shot is good. And one more for Ainsworth, who gets them both. 6:14 to go, 40-35. Here's a steal. Here's Emily Hill. Good transition by the Comets. Now they're going to lose the ball after they get possession. Another tie-up. And this one is going to be, the possession arrow is going to say Comets basketball. So the Comets keep it. But boy, they did a nice job in transition that time. It looked like the T-Birds were going to get a fast break. But the Comets were able to get back, and they nearly lost the ball. They didn't get the tie-up. So possession arrow goes back to the T-Birds now. And now after another drive by Cicely Sorrell, we've got a foul call, and Cicely will go back to the free throw line. Ariana Williams finished that first half with 12 points. She's called for the foul, and right now 5 team fouls already for the T-Birds. They are totaling these up rather quickly here in the second half. First one was good from Cicely. And the next one, no good, so she gets 1 of 2. Going all the way, trying to score. No shot for the foul. A nice answer, taking the ball out of the basket. Quick inbound and coming up the floor was Ariana Williams, and she'll get to the free throw line. First one for Ariana, nothing but nylon. And the lead down to 5. Another one for Ariana, and this one rattles home. The lead down to 4 as Williams gets them both. Here come the Comets trying to retaliate. Dribble drive to the inside, handoff, and a good job to get the ball inside to Carvalho. She draws the foul, and the Comets right back to the foul line. So Ariana Williams picks up the foul, and she's starting to pile up those fouls right now. Carvalho's shot, no good. Oh, that was wide left. Carvalho off the back iron, no good. So she misses both foul shots. Williams all the way. Carvalho gets a piece out of bounds, and the rock remains with the T-Birds. There's a look at Carvalho. Williams, dribble drive. Oh, this one's just going to spill out. Boy, that one was sitting on the rim, but just would not drop to the T-Birds. Janelle Pansoy coming back into the ball game. Hill to key it in. And this one's going to be thrown away. Out of bounds it goes. So a wasted trip down the floor for the T-Birds. 5:09 to go here in the third period. Comets continue to lead. The pace of this one, or at least in this quarter, slowed down quite a bit. A lot of fouls. Boy, now we've got another foul. And there's Ariana Williams with the who me? Yes, you, Miss Williams. So the Comets back to the free throw line. Boy, completely different third quarter than the first and the second. A lot of fouls, a lot of trips to the free throw line. The break going, but the ball just kind of got away from them. And you get the hand on the bottom of the ball, and they're going to call you for the carry, and that's what happened right there. Trying to get this one down low, they can't. Turnover by the Birds, and here come the Comets. They're going to get the shot and the foul and a chance for a three-point play. So Ebony Hill was back there trying to play defense. Going one-on-one, she could not prevent the shot nor the basket, and she also committed the foul. Boy, the Comets just living at the foul line here in quarter number 3. Shot is no good. No three-point play here for the Comets, as Christyle King cannot complete that three-point play. Hill, Williams for 3, left wing, and she rattles this one home. Boy, that touched everything. Both sides of the rim, the front of the rim, the backboard, and finally home. So Williams, let's call that the shooter's roll. Boy, and now we're going to get a travel call. And boy, so different than what you see in the NBA, as they always seem to let them get away with that extra half step or so. But at the college level, I'll tell you, you just hint at taking that third step, and they're going to call you for it, and they did right there as the Comets turn it over. Williams for 3, off the iron, no good. Fight for the rebound, Comets get it. Here they come back the other way. Lopez into the front court. Ball's lost, tried to get it to Carvalho. It's out of bounds to the T-Birds. 2:41 to go. Comets led by 5 after 2, leading by 2 here with about 2.5 to go here, third period. Williams cross-court pass, top of the arc. Here's a cross-court pass, three-point shot, and that is good. And they're going to call that a 2-point shot coming from number 10, Brianna Martinez. Foot on the line. There's a dribble drive, blocking call. Yeah, that foul is going to go against the T-Birds. Oh boy. Coach Gray just glaring in here. I think he thought that was going to go the way of the T-Birds. It does not. And Sorrell back to the free throw line. Carvalho getting ready to check back in. So here comes Larissa. And she'll come in now for Kiana Harrison. Really battle for this one. Foul call. And Husick is giving a call for the foul. T-Bird's going to get it back as we tick down to 2 minutes even here. Third period. There we lost, and Williams wants the 3, and that won't go. Gets a piece of the net. Here are the Comets with it. Cross-court pass. Husick lost it. And she's going to be on the ground, and she's going to get called for traveling. top as the T-Birds run the offense. They trail by 1. Here's Hadley, dribble drive, stops in the paint, has it blocked by Larissa. Here come the Comets the other way, 2-on-2. Larissa had it, misses the bunny. She's gonna get it back, short jump shot inside the paint, that won't go. Baseball pass the other way, and boy, the T-Birds can't convert. Both teams missing from point-blank range. 2-on-1 for the Comets the other way. They can't get it to go. One more chance. That shot won't go. Comets come back out with the basketball. Wide open from the outside. They don't want the shot. Shots missed. T-Birds have it. A wild sequence there, and nobody can score right now. Here's some nice defense, but actually we're going to get a foul ball. Boy, things getting wild here in San Pablo. A lot of shots missed. Opportunities missed all over the place. Down to 38 seconds to go in this third quarter. Comets lead by 1. But now Williams to the free throw line to shoot a pair. Second shot, she knocks it down. It was actually not a two-shot situation. That was the one-and-one apparently. Here's the pressure provided by the Comets. And then, what was that call? I'm not really sure. He's walking the other way now. So they're going to get Cicely Sorrell with the foul. So it's going to be T-Birds basketball. And here's Dominic Seymour to key it in. A 47-47 tie here. Going all the way, that shot won't go. And now we are going to have a tie-up, and the shot possession arrow says T-Birds basketball. So the Birds will keep the shot clock turned off. 18 seconds to go. Trying to get it to Williams, and now we're going to have the foul call. And there's Williams out, palms up with that gesture of who me? Who me? Williams in disbelief. Coach Graham, it rankled right now. This game remains tied. Comets to see if they can play for the last shot. They're going to lose the ball too. And now we're going to have a foul call. Both teams upset here at some of these calls. Lusick called for the foul. T-Bird's going to go to the line. It'll be Markayla Hadley from Dillard University, the 5'5" combo guard, 11 points a game, 3 assists, 2 steals, 3 rebounds, coming in a very nice line. Very strong defensively, attacks the basket well. Good at that pull-up on the break. Haven't seen that much from her. And she can hit the 3. Haven't seen that from her tonight, at least so far. And when she attacks the basket, that's usually when the T-Birds are at their best. So Markayla going to shoot 1, and this one's going to knock through. Boy, and just like that, the T-Birds have the lead. So both teams in this third period missing several bunny shots. Hadley gets them both here. It's a 2-point lead for the T-Birds. Here come the Comets, last 4 seconds of the third. And it's going to be an offensive foul on the far side of the floor near the sideline. 1.4 to go. So the T-Birds are going to have a chance to inbound the ball, and they might be able to put the ball on the floor once before letting fly. So they will get the final opportunity, albeit with just about a little over a second to go. Yeah, that one really had to be passed into the front court to give them a legitimate shot. They do not do so, but at the end of 3, the Comets, who had been leading throughout, they no longer have the lead. Going to the fourth quarter, it's Merritt 49, Contra Costa 47. Back with the final frame here in the opener, and it's the T-Birds by a deuce. Fourth quarter action here from San Pablo. Contra Costa Comets basketball coming to you on BayAreaSports.tv. They did the math and they figured out that the Comets actually had 48 instead of 47. So our score as we begin the final 10 minutes here of the doubleheader opener, it's the T-Birds 49 and the Comets 48. Coach Gray wants an explanation, and apparently his explanation, unsatisfactory, at least so far. All right, so we begin the final quarter of play, and the T-Birds have battled back to take a 1-point lead. Had been the Comets all the way. Here's a pass to the inside that's stolen and nearly stolen back by Contra Costa. And now we're going to have a Comets foul. And I think they're going to get, was it number 23, Vicky Lopez, or was it Janelle Pensoy? I think they said number 3, Janelle Pensoy, on that last foul. In any event, the T-Birds have it, and they're going to get the first basket of this fourth quarter. And that is Ainsworth with the hoop. So Gigi Ainsworth makes it 51-48. A very different third quarter than it was in the first and second, which were very fast-paced in that first half. Very slow third quarter. There's a running across the lane hook by number 23, Vicky Lopez. Pretty shot. Doesn't get it to go, but she does draw the foul. They'll get the foul on Emily Hill. And the Comets back to the foul line. Boy, they really lived at that foul line in that third quarter. First shot, no good. But boy, you gotta like that shot by Lopez coming from her right to her left, going across the lane, and she gets the second foul shot to go, and the lead down to 2. Emily Hill pass inside. Ainsworth can't get it. But there is going to be a foul call. And boy, Gigi Ainsworth just using the muscle. And she is just down low, muscling the smaller players out of the way. Here's Pensoy. Good look at Pansori coming over here toward the scorer's table, and she has a couple of things to say to the official, Devon Brazier. Actually, it's Devon Brazier. First one is good. It's Brazier, as in Frazier. Emily coming over to the scorer's table. Apparently she's got 4 fouls on her. Didn't think so. There's a look at Emily. Shot coming off here from Gigi Hainsworth. So Gigi gets 1 of 2 on that trip down the line. And here come the Comets, trying to cut into the lead. Trying to go down low. Boy, stolen away and stolen right back. Here come the Comets. And put on the floor. Shot won't go for Lopez. And now we're going to have another whistle. Well, I don't believe there was actually a foul call. I think that last time the ball just went out of bounds. So the T-Birds have it here, 52-49. They also have the lead. A lot of time left here, over 8 minutes to go here in the 4th. Williams stutter step, comes in baseline. Defense is there, 3-point shot, that one rims out. Maya Perkins, a good look, could not stick the jump shot. Lopez. Pensoy, cross the lane, can't get that little hook shot to go, however. And back the other way, and a foul, and the shot, and a chance for a 3-point play now for Maya Perkins. So the T-Birds running the floor, getting the outlet pass, and it is going to be Maya Perkins the beneficiary, as the Birds have a chance now for a 3-point play. Here's a good look at Cicely Sorrell coming back into the game, 54-49. First one is good to make that a 3-point play for Maya Perkins and the Merritt T-Birds. And the lead now 6 points. That's the biggest lead of the game for Merritt, and a quick turnover by the Comets. So here comes Williams. There's an open 3-point try. That won't go for Hadley. This one passed out and stolen. And coming all the way, Williams, not a whole lot of effort, but the shot missed anyway. Oh, what a break for the T-Birds. Boy, Christyle King right to the cup. Williams just stopped, didn't want to commit the foul, and she had really conceded the bucket. There's a wild one put up right there by Dominic Seymour, who draws the foul. Boy, a wild looking sequence there. But the putback is good. Boy, the T-Birds starting to open things up a little bit. They lead it by 8. Their biggest lead of the game. Boy, Pansoy had it, lost it. And this one's going to be out of bounds. It belongs to the Comets. And now we have a timeout on the floor. 6:31 to go. Comets, the home team, they trail it 57-49. right down to 6 minutes and 30 seconds to go here. Fourth quarter action from San Pablo and Contra Costa College. It's Comets basketball right here on BayAreaSports.tv. So glad you could be with us for the opener of our Wednesday night doubleheader. And right now, the home team down by 8 with the basketball as they key it in here from the baseline. Get it to the inside. Shot off the glass at home. Carvalho able to get it to go. Nice turnaround look by Larissa after getting that pass on the inside. Here's a steal. Taken away by the Comets. They're going all the way off the glass and home. Back-to-back hoops for the Comets. It's Carvalho. And now Cicely Sorrell with the steal and the deuce. 4-point lead, another steal. Comets have it, 2-on-2. This one's going to be tapped away, and now we're going the other way. So, boy, good defense from behind. That was Maya Perkins who broke that up and then able to prevent the fast break. Maya wants 3 off the rim, no good. Here's Sorrell, gets the high screen coming to her left. Down to the corner, knocked away. It's going to be out of bounds, and it belongs to Contra Costa. Boy, the way this game has ebbed and flowed, it's sometimes a frenetic pace, other times a snail's pace, but a very entertaining basketball game, and that one might have been blocked that time by Gigi Ainsworth. Here's Hadley. You turn around and try to keep it away from Kiana Harrison. Gets the screen. Now works against a couple of defenders. Ball has to be saved. Ainsworth had it. She fell down. And now we're going to have a foul here in the back court. And that's going to be Maya Perkins who commits the foul. And Maya going to come out of the basketball game. And then Brianna Martinez going to come back in. A 4-point game. It's been close throughout. Recollection serves me. The Comets have led by as many as 7, and the T-Birds have led by as many as 8. Here's the shot from the outside, a 3-pointer, and that is good. Chris Style King from downtown, and that makes it a 1-point game. Cross-court pass. Williams from the outside, and she's going to miss by a foot. Then saved on the baseline. Nicely done by Martinez. Another chance here for the T-Birds. Drive and a score! Hadley with the left hand off the glass and home, and the lead is 3. Carvalho down the other way, and the Comets have the answer. Down to 4. Hadley again works against 3, has it blocked. Boy, and now here's Williams with a foul. Boy, back to that frenetic pace. So the ladies look like, I don't want to say they ran out of energy in the third quarter, but they couldn't keep from fouling one another, and then they were in that situation where they were missing bunny shots all over the place. The pace has really picked up back here in the fourth, and one thing we know, the ladies, they can run. The endurance on both sides, very good. 3:54 to go, it's a 1-point game. And here in this period, the T-Birds have actually ballooned the lead out to 8, but the Comets have fought back, and now it's just a 59-58 lead as the T-Birds over on their side to our right here at the scorers table, talking it over. So, at the end of 1, the lead was 1. At the end of 3, the lead was 1. And with 3:54 to go here in the 4th, the lead is 1. Good basketball game. And remember, stay tuned. We've got the men's version of our doubleheader coming up following this game. So the men in the nightcap. Williams, rainbow pass to the inside, second chance and counted. And boy, that was Dominic Seymour. Took the pass, missed the first time, hit the second time. Carvalho off the back of the iron, no good. Good looking shot, good look from Larissa, couldn't stick the jump shot. This one taken away by the Comets. Pass going down, intercepted by Hadley. An ill-advised pass that was well short. Carvalho was out there, but boy, Hadley was right in front of her for the interception. Turn and a twist, shot won't go. Comets the rebound. Sorrell gonna keep the basketball here. Gotta get it across the timeline. And then she got caught on her right hip, and they're going to get the turnover. So Sorrell, trying to get it across the line, had it come up a little bit high on her right hip. She trapped it momentarily, and the officials were all over it to blow the whistle, 61-58. Timeout on the floor. Comets talking it over, and they trail it by 3. 2:47 to go, 4th quarter. Still a lot of time left. We're really that close to the bonus right now in terms of 2 fouls. Here's Williams, works off the high screen. The cutter was coming, and she was throwing the ball out to the corner. So the T-Birds lucky to keep possession there. And this one's going to go out of bounds. It remains with Merritt. 7 seconds to go here on the shot clock. So here comes Emily Hill. So Emily back into the ball game. Brianna Martinez will come out. Emily is going to key this one in. Lobbing this one forward, nearly knocked away. Seymour has it, nearly lost it. Williams with the second left of the shot clock. Her three-pointer won't go, but Gigi's got it. There's the miss. But the Comets turn it right back over, and Emily Hill's going to bring it out and burn some time. Off to Williams. Beyond the arc. Out of Markayla. Back to Hill. Still 12 seconds on the shot clock. Dribble drive from Markayla Hadley. She's going to get it back. Boy, that one did not touch the rim, and Williams' three-pointer won't go. Tipped around. Hadley's got it near the sideline. She falls out of bounds, and they are not going to get the foul call here. And I think Contra Costa is going to get the basketball. They're not aware of it. Pansoy is going to get to inbound. Hadley had it on the sideline. Looked like she got bumped a little bit, but it was subtle enough to where they did not blow the whistle. Down to a minute and a half. Crowd getting anxious. Pansoy to the inside. This one nearly taken away. Tough looking pass. Trying to get it to Larissa Carvalho on the inside. And the Comets lucky to keep possession. Sorrell to key it in from the baseline. Shot off the rim and backward, no good from Carvalho. Boy, they have missed so many close ones here in this second half. High percentage shots that just have not dropped for Contra Costa. Emily Hill, tick down under a minute. This one's going to be intercepted by Contra Costa. Here comes Sorrell, all the way off the glass and home. Timeout, Contra Costa. And that Sorrell bucket is going to make the score 61-60 after she gets the leaping steal. Boy, an exciting fourth quarter. So 52 seconds left in regulation. The Comets have cut the lead down to 1. And the T-Birds have the basketball following the timeout. There's Coach Gray. Ladies over there for Merritt getting blown. There's the other side. Coach Nick Shaw talking it over with his ladies. They have battled back. They've had their troubles in this second half, but they haven't given up. Team fouls look like this. 4 for the Comets, just 2 for Merritt, so nobody really in trouble there. Here's Markayla Hadley running the show. Under 40 seconds to go now. Being double teamed, gets into the paint. Looked like she traveled. Crowd thinks she did. Williams has it, still 8 on the shot clock. There's Emily Hill, can't get it to go. Offensive rebound, no putback. Couple of chances for the T-Birds that can't score, and now we have a timeout called by the Comets. Oh, 61-60. And we've got 14.8 seconds to go. So Contra Costa burning a full timeout here as they talk things over. Boy, the frenetic pace has returned. So the Comets have the basketball, they trail it by 1. Each team in their huddle talking things over. There's Coach Shaw going to the, well, it used to be a chalkboard, then it was a whiteboard. Well, anyway, going over the X's and O's here with the ladies. All right, the ladies return to the floor. A couple of ticks under 15 seconds to go. A wild first game here on our Wednesday doubleheader. Remember, stick around. The men in the nightcap coming up following this first game. Here come the Comets. Here's Sorrell to her left. Gets bumped, and she is going to draw the foul. Emily Hill's going to get called for it. And it looked like Sorrell's going to go to the line, where she looks a bit shaken up. Emily Hill pleading her case, but Devon Brazier, well, he's not having any of it. That will be a shooting foul. So officially, that's going to be a block against Emily Hill. Clock shows 7:09 to go. Here's Brianna Martinez checking back into the game. So now we have another full timeout. We'll step away. Don't go anywhere. This one far from decided. 61-60 in favor of the T-Birds. So following that timeout, the Comets will be on the, I thought they were calling that a shooting foul, but apparently not. And now the Comets want to take timeout. And the game clock had showed 7:09. They switched it to 6. And now they've changed it again. So there is some confusion here down on the floor right now. One thing we do know, it's the fourth quarter, and it's 61-60. But back-to-back timeouts here. With 7.9 seconds to go, we'll be back to close out this fourth quarter. Maybe we'll get some bonus time here with the ladies before the men's game starts. A 1-point lead for the T-Birds. Not a shooting foul on that last one as I initially thought. So here's Sensoy to inbound. 7:09 to go. Trying to get it in. She does. Nearly lost. Shot going across the floor. No good. And now we have a foul. And this one's going to go against the Comets. And it's going to be against Carvalho. And boy, that is a killer. That is her third foul, 15th foul against the Comets. Just 1.9 seconds to go. And go walking the length of the floor. And now shooting. And again, the team foul situation does not suggest that they're in the penalty. I'm a little miffed at that one. And the shot is good here for the foul line. The lead is 2. So the T-Birds had the lead. Dominic Seymour with one more shot, trying to make it 3. And the Comets have taken the length of the floor. That shot no good. Comets have it. Here they come. Half-court shot no good, and that's the way it ends. 63-60 is our final score. And coming back after trailing after 1 and after 2 are the T-Birds. And they win it by a final score of 63 or 62-60. And that will wrap it up. So, boy, a very interesting game. Fast-paced to start it in that first half. A very frenetic pace back and forth. Then the third quarter saw a lot of fouls in a very slow game. As both teams were making, a lot of, or getting to the foul line quite a bit. And both teams were missing a lot of bunny shots. But in the end, the T-Birds able to take the lead and hold on. The Comets had a chance to get the equalizer or actually take the lead with that final shot. They could not, however, get it to fall. And the Comets dropped to 1-5 in league, 3-19 overall. Merritt runs their record to 3-2 in the Bay Valley League and 5-13 overall. And that does it for the opener here in the doubleheader. The Merritt women on the road get the win, and stay tuned. We'll be back for the nightcap. Men's action here, Comets basketball, doubleheader Wednesday here for San Pablo. From San Pablo, stay tuned. We'll be back with the nightcap in just a moment.